awesome if there's one underneath that tree hanging out.
Ah!
Real! Oh, that's a perch. Bring it in, bring it in. Good. First fish. Good job. Put him over the boat. All right, guys. Noah just got his first fish. That is a good-sized perch. All right. That's your first fish of the day. Get a little picture, video, jigger. All right.
He's gone.
There he goes. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, bring it in. Get it in. No, dude, you don't have to reel it all the way up. All right, let the line out. All right, well, Noah just got a crappie. That voice crack. Just don't be scared. Just pick him up. Toss him in.
Goodbye.
All right, Noah's second fish. Guys, we just paddled by a dead something. It looks like a... Is that a fish? What is that?
Ew. Ew.
Dead pike.
Ew.
I wonder how it died. Let's try this side. There's one. That's a fish, guys. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that might be a pike or a bass.
I vote pike. I mean bass. Not bass.
Oh, oh, yep, it's a bass. Here, wait.
That one.
Yeah, we got him. Oh, yeah. All right. There we go. After a lot of time on the water, we finally got a decent bass. First fish of the day. A butte largie.
And the
A
bass
little on the smaller side, but still a really nice fish.
Still, I really think the bass wants to be
I
bigger.
might pull my ice out even when all the lights out. Ice white as the White House.
Oh! Get it in, get it in, get it in. That's a bass. Good job. All right, one sec.
Little one.
One sec.
Little
Let me finish reeling mine in. All right, guys, Noah
This
just...
is a baby bass.
Yeah, it's a baby bass, but it still counts as a bass. Here's Noah's fish.
It's a
Here you
little
go,
baby
Noah.
bass.
A little largie. Right, there's Noah's fish.
Bye-bye.
Good job.
Yeah.
Third fish for him, one for me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's one. Oh, pike.
Pikey white.
Oh, no. Yep, it's a pike. Boat flip. Yeah.
Yeah.
Second fish of the day. Second fish of the day. Nice little pike.
It's the second fish.
I got a hit and it went away.
Right now.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
What if the bird grabs the bait?
Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a good fish, Noah. Heads up, heads up.
Ah!
Heads up. It's a good fish. Whatever just grabbed
We're
us.
tied. We're tied.
Oh my god.
Pike, pike, pike.
I'm not really sure yet.
Probably.
Oh my god. It's a giant.
Pike.
It's a giant. It's a giant. No, 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 no. Hold this. No, I need you to hold this pole. Or, no, no, not this one. No! Come here! I got him! Oh my god. Look at this giant. I gotta find where the lure... He inhaled this lure, guys.
He ate it?
Check that out. Here we go, guys.
I want to see the teeth.
Amazing pike. He's bleeding a little bit, so I'm gonna get him back in.
I want to see. That is.
All right, guys, here we go.
Goodbye!
All right, go ahead and take it off.
Finally. Why did I decide to
Oh my, got him. Oh my God. Ah!
You still got him?
That was a huge pike.
Concrete, nigga, that's my reality. We tend to bust on niggas that get mad at me. Was it a bitch in the mix? Well, it had to be. Lying tricks told them dicks that I had a key. Hoes make the world harder than it have to be. Yeah, that's right. I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. I'ma smoke where I wanna smoke. I'ma choke who I wanna choke. I'ma ride where I wanna ride. I'm a nigga for life, so I'm a motherfucking nigga till I die.
There's one.
No, I got one.
Oh, it's a decent pike.
You have 3 pikes today.
Ah, it's caught in the... Ah, I'll get the yarn.
You came out.
There's
I
our,
want to hold him.
there is our 3rd or 4th pike of the day.
There's blood
You
on
don't
his
get to hold them because you didn't catch them. Yeah, that happens to a lot of pike's tails. I don't know what, maybe if they get in fights or what, but... Goodbye.
What the?
Oh my God. Oh my God. How did I just do that?
That's on camera now.
How did I just do that? I went to cast, but I like faked my cast because I didn't want to go where I wanted to go. And I literally just hooked it on one of those.
Now, ladies and gentlemen.
That will never happen again. Alright guys, well, I went with a nice fire red colored wacky worm. There's one. Not a big one, but one in the boat. Oh my God, no way.
What?
Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but look in his mouth. There is a crawfish in his mouth. Oh my God, it's real.
Wait, what?
It's a real crawfish. Oh my God. No, chill, dude. Oh, he spit it up. He spit it up. He spit it up. Here it is, guys. Here it is.
Ew, ew.
Look at it. That's a real crawfish. That fish spit up a real crawfish. Oh my God. We're just gonna get rid of that. So crayfish is what's on the diet right now. But we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. But crayfish, guys, remember that. He's like right there, I think. Oh, we're a lot further in this spot than I was thinking we were. Oh, there's one. Oh my God, this might be him. Oh wait, no, he's a lot smaller. Dude, these little bass fight so hard. Little smallie came from those weeds.
You hooked the blade, but
Picked it up a little bit late. Nice little smallie. Gonna let this guy go.
bye-bye.
Noah went in. He's kind of tired from the whole day, but we went out, caught the rock bass with the crayfish, and it's pretty cool to see that actually. But anyways, just me now. Hopefully we end up cranking some nice ones. Here's one, guys. Nice little pike. This one's gonna be in that. There we go, guys. Thank God this guy didn't inhale it. Here we go, guys. Nice fish. Let him go.